Hello and welcome again to another quick tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Windows system IP address. So if you're new to the Windows and you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you the simple way. There are many ways you can change it, but I'm going to show you the basic simple way. So first of all, let's check what is our IP address that our system is having. So we are going to type cmd and the command prompt of Windows going to be open. Okay, so we are inside of the Windows command prompt. Okay, this is my user that I'm using. So if I type ipconfig, it will give me the IP address that my system is right now holding. So you can see my IPv4 address is 1.108. So this is the IP address that my system is holding. So if you wanted to change it or you wanted to put a new IP address in your system, so this is the steps you have to follow. Right now my system is on DHCP, so it will take automatically the IP address from my router. So to change the IP address, we are going to open the run command. You have to click the Windows key along with the R, and you will find a box like this. It's called run. Okay, we can run all the program, folder, or documents over here by typing the name. So we have to type ncpa.cpl, and if you click on the OK, it will open the network configuration page in your Windows. Click on the OK. Now it will open the network configuration page where we can change the IP address. Okay, as you can see, we are inside of the network connection page. This is the Ethernet port that I'm using. So if I double click on it, it will open the Ethernet status tab. Okay, and you can see the details over here. The same IP address that I am right now using, it's 108 and it's showing 108. Okay, so to change this IP address, we have to click on the properties, and once this particular Ethernet properties page is appeared, you have to click over here IPv4. You will find this option, Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP v4. Make sure you click on this particular selection. So I'm going to double click on this and it will open the IPv4 property section. So right now my system is assigned the IP address by DHCP, but I wanted to put a manual IP. So over here I can put the manual IP. So like this, whatever the IP address you can put over here, the subnet mask will be over here, and this is the default gateway that you have in your network. So this is the gateway that I have in my home network, and over here you have to put the DNS. So if you don't know what is your DNS is, you can also use this one. And okay, so if I do that and click over here, okay, and then close it, if we double click on it once again and go to the details, you will see the IP address is now changed. And if I type the same command once again, it will give me the IP address. As you can see, it's saying 1.5 is my IP address. This is how you can change your computer IP address. But let's say that you don't want to be use the static IP, which I just recently like mentioned over here. So you wanted to change the IP which is assigned by your DHCP server. So right now we have put the static IP over here. So let's remove this and click OK. If you click this, our server will automatically like receive a new IP from our router. If I click on the details, you can see it's updated the old IP address. Okay, but I don't want it. I wanted to get a new IP from my DHCP server. So in that case, what we can do, we can change it from the Windows command prompt. So to do that, we have to type ipconfig, then space, give it a slash, and type release. It will automatically release the particular IP that we recently have. So before doing that, let me show you what is my current IP that I'm having in my system. So if I type ipconfig one more time, and it's saying that my IPv4 address is 192.168.1.18. So this is my current IP address. I want to change it. So as I told you, so type ipconfig/release and hit enter. So let me type ipconfig renew. So if you type this, so this will automatically renew the IP address. Now let's see what is the IP address that our system just received. So I'm going to type ipconfig and hit enter. Okay, now as you can see, our new IP is 1.56. So this is how you can change your IP address in your Windows computer. If you find this video any helpful, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.